Today we're going to be looking at the DOQO keyboard case and hub for an iPad. We're going to go over the features, go over all the specs for it, and then I'm going to give you my impressions and my thoughts at the end. You can see it's a really nice case. It's metallic. It's got the metallic hinges. It's got a kind of a pseudo leather finish on it. The keys feel really good. They also have light. You've got a power indicator right there. This is as far back as it bends. And you've got the touchpad that works really well. You put your iPad on it. It's magnetic. It closes just fine. It's got the USB-C, HDMI, USB 3, SD card, and SD card mini. And then you've got a USB-C charging adapter right there. I did find I had to reconnect the Bluetooth every time I put my iPad onto the unit, but it did seem like when I left it on there and the more I used it, the less of a problem this was. In order to use any of the connections in the back, you do have to use this USB-C connector from your iPad to the keyboard. And the keyboard does cover the top keys like a lot of people had complained about, but it wasn't a problem for me. It does have two viewing positions, and they were great for working desktop, but if you wanted to work from your lap, like most of us do with our laptop, you couldn't really see it very well. Once I started connecting my devices, it started getting bulky really, really fast. Plugging in any peripherals or SD cards, it picked it up in a couple seconds, and it was really nice working from there. But like I said, it started getting bulky really fast. And by the time I did all this, I might as well just work off my laptop. I got out my scale and I decided to see the weight difference between the two. The DOQO with the iPad weighs 3 pounds, 15 ounces. And my MacBook Pro 2022 weighs 4 pounds and 2 ounces. What I really liked about this unit was the onboard hub. It was fast charging, had the ability to link with a monitor. It was built really solid. The backlit for the keys, and the keys felt really good when you use the keyboard. And what I didn't like, you couldn't count on the Bluetooth connecting when you opened it up. It was a bit heavy, and I really didn't like that side dongle. It seemed like that was always in the way for me. I was hoping for something simple that I could bring with me and just connect my external hard drive and sit and work on videos. This unit was well made. The keyboard worked really well. The trackpad worked well. The peripherals took a little while to get connected, and you had to use that dongle with them. And the Bluetooth, if you remove the iPad from the unit, you had to go ahead and redo it. Had these issues been one, I probably would have kept it, but seeing it had all of these issues, to me, it wasn't worth the price point. To you, it might. The premise on this thing was great. I don't feel it warrants a thumbs up or a thumbs down, so I'm going to go in the middle with this. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.